those guys who are appearing in Ielts, right? And they should know that, because in Ielts writing section there are 4 major areas, right? The first one is TA. You can watch my previous video if you remember. There I discussed, there are 4 different areas for the writing bands calculator, and the first area is called TA, a second is CC, a third is LR, and the fourth is GRA. This GRA is really playing a big role, and this video will help you a lot to cover and to grip GRA, and just to get the maximum bands in, grammatical range and accuracy. Let's start, guys, now. Capitalization. What is capitalization? Guys, remember, capitalization, if we talk about a definition of capitalization, look please. Capitalization is the process of capitalizing words, making their first letter a capital letter. Now, whenever you write something, guys, remember, okay, for example, you start writing anything, whether you're writing application, you're writing letter, you're writing essay, tomorrow you're appearing in IELTS, PTE, and TOEFL exams, and you're composing report writing in Ielts, you're composing essay in Ielts, you're composing even, independent, like writings in TOEFL and PTE and CA and all that, right? Guys, remember, you must know where to write a capital letter, because if you don't know these areas, your essay and your composition, everything will be leaving a very poor impression on the reader, on the examiner as well, and examiners can be easily convinced to give you the minimum, bands or the minimum score, whatever you're appearing in that exam. So guys, this is all about capitalization. Anyway, before we start this capitalization chapter, I would like to give you a sentence. Let's have a quick test, okay? Right? Please, I want you guys to have a look in the sentence, right? And then you have only 20 seconds, okay? Not more than 20 seconds, please. Please, you have very short time. Quickly read the sentence and tell me how many mistakes are there in this sentence, okay? Your time starts now. Well, all right, guys. I hope you have, studied the sentence, and now, could you please tell me how many mistakes there are in the sentence? Well, I know you must be wondering and you must be thinking, might be 1, might be 2. Some guys might be even, finding 5 mistakes, even some might be finding, even 10 mistakes might be. I don't know exactly. But let me tell you how many mistakes exactly there are in this sentence, fine? Okay. The very first mistake, Ali, right? A. The first mistake, Ali, A. It must be capital. Now, and A is capital, it must be small, right? I must be capital. Went to England, and then E must be capital. After that, in. There is another mistake in. I must be small, because this is capital written here now. January, J must be capital. And after that, then at the end, one more mistake is there, and that is a full stop, which shows the sentence is ended here. How many mistakes you found in the sentence?